Mag-ano lang ako. Yung ano ko pala. Adaan, hindi ko pala ina-dry.
Huwag mo na i-open.
Sige, dry mo na. Labas lang ako. Labas ako. Ako. Dito kami. Ayan. I'm right here with you. Oh, thank you, baby. Pretty Lou, thank you. Yeah. That is a Big Mac. Big Mac. This is a tourist. The tourist store to. Door. Mahilig kay siyan siya magtuto. Ito naman si Big Mac. Big Mac. Then, nandun si King Kong. Hello, King Kong. Ito si Big Mac, guys. Hello. Very friendly. Very friendly yan. Friendly. Very friendly. Ayan, very friendly yan, guys. Jet. So, ito si King Kong. Hello. Hi. Ayan, si King Kong. Oh. Turtle. Very sweet. So sweet. Si Big Mac din. Oh, super sweet. Super sweet. Tapos, dito pa yung isa. Hello. Hi. Ayan, very sweet to sila. Doon yung dalawa. Turtles. Ito, they are in couple. Maybe they are boyfriend and girlfriend. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Very ano yan sila. Very.
Itunin mo nga yung maliliit, right?
Saan?
Ilagay mo dito.
Diyan? Sige,
Oo,
sige.
yung maliliit lang.
Sige, sige. Bye-bye.